Okay, the time has come. We're going to pre-deliver our 959 Panigale Corse. What we've basically got to do is there's a checklist from Ducati, which we follow the bouncing ball, do all those. Put the mirrors on. They actually come with a lithium battery charger now, so we'll wire all that up. Basically bring it up to spec so we can start it, which isn't too bad on these models. So I'll do that, and then I will give you the run through on the features of the bike, and we'll fire him up for the first time like we do and see what she sounds like. So we've got the stock lead acid battery out of a Panigale. Put him on the scales. 2.5 kilo. Here's the lithium one that comes standard in this bike. 790 grams. So even when you go to take it off the scales after lifting this guy around for a while, you nearly hit yourself in the face with that. It's so light. It doesn't feel like a battery, it just feels like cardboard. So there you go. So we finished the pre-delivery on the 959. What we'd like to do now is basically give you the quick look over the bike, show you a few features, then we'll see if it runs. So we've got the Öhlins steering damper, Öhlins forks. You've seen the lithium battery earlier. We've got the Öhlins TDX rear shocky. And the MotoGP inspired livery, which looks awesome. It's a matte paint job. Looks really good. So here's the look over the bike. So what we might do now is see if it runs. Just key it on. Okay, so I've never started this bike before in Australia.